Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another Dollar Tree haul, and also I received a Diva Delivery at my P.O. box that I also wanted to share with you as well. Hope you don't mind keeping it super casual today. I do have a little bit of a cold, so if I sound like I do, it is because I do. So yeah, but I did want to get this haul filmed because I found some fun stuff at Dollar Tree yesterday, and like I said, I got a really lovely package in the mail from one of my Dollar Divas. So that's what we're doing today. Of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming back for another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica, and I'm basically a bargain beauty channel. What I mean by that is I like to do a lot of the same fun content that other beauty channels do. I just like to keep it at the bargain price point, so the closer to $1, the better. If it sounds like you're in the right place, I do hope you'll become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube. And as always, I will have related content down below in the description box. That way you can binge watch more content like this. Of course, I'll have my Dollar Tree haul playlist right there at the top. So definitely check out some of my other content. And yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So first I'm gonna share what I got in my Diva Delivery here. This is from my Dollar Diva, Carol Sylvie, who's been with me for quite a while, I believe. And she sent me a box full of goodies, so I wanted to share because this stuff is awesome, you guys. Of course, she wrote me a little note and all that kind of thing and kind of explained some of the stuff. So the most exciting thing I'll save for the end of this portion. But she sent me two little like makeup bags that are just full of goodies, and those are really cute. These are from Shop Miss A. That's like a really good bag too. That's like super sturdy. I love a bag. So I already unwrapped everything and all that kind of thing, so I'm just going to show you what was in there. So I had been seeing this at Dollar Tree, and I had never picked it up, but I'm really glad you sent it to me because I have been kind of curious. This really reminds me of like the old school Bath and Body Works stuff. You remember when they used to sell stuff that looked like this? This is the Berry Glowy Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Body and Face Serum. Look at how cute that is. So super excited about that. And then these products here I absolutely love. And I'm talking about the Global Beauty Care Snail Mucin products. So she sent me both the moisturizer and the serum. I actually just used up my serum and I'm still working on the moisturizer. A couple of my favorite skincare products from the Dollar Tree. So she sent me more of those, which is perfect timing. Then these here are from Shop Miss A. They're the Big Boss Balm. And so they're from like that Paw brand. I've got peach and mango, so super excited to try those. I always love a good lip balm. She actually sent me quite a few in here. And then this is a brand I love, and I actually haven't bought anything from them in a super long time. But these are but the brand EOS, a couple of these lip balms here. One is Summer Fruit and one is Pink Lemonade. And like I said, I love their lip balms, and if you know me, I am a lip balm addict. I'm one of those. Then these are the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is Rosy Lips. And usually Vaseline makes a really good lip balm as well. Like I said, she hooked me up with the lip balm. And then this is from Glam Light. It's the Friday the 13th lipstick. How cute is that? Glam Light makes really cute things. And that's just a really kind of a nice terracotta shade. Super pretty. Then this Revlon lipstick is beautiful. It's a cream. It's in the shade Bare Affair. And it's really this like really pretty nude shade. So super excited to try that. I really do love a good nude lipstick. And this is the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick. This is in the shade Volcanic. And this is like a beautiful, again, kind of like a coral shade, which I love. With a coral shade, I love to put it on top of red and add dimension on my lips. And L'Oreal makes a great lipstick as well. Then this is the brand Polite Society. This is the Big Mouth Lip Plumping Gloss. That seems really fun. I love a good plumping gloss. Comes on a big doe foot. And then the LA Colors Cream Gel Blush. This is in the shade Bora Bora Babe. I don't know that I have this shade. I may. If I do, I might pass this on to a friend. But LA Colors, of course, makes a great liquid blush. Then the last item is really awesome. It is from Glam Light, and it's the Lord of the Rings Middle Earth 20 color palette for face and body. And look at this like package it comes in. I mean, that is like legit, y'all. This is so cool. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Of course, we're gonna open it up so you know. This is what the inside looks like. I don't think I've ever had anything like this fancy. So there's the actual palette, and y'all, wait until you see this. This is beautiful. Look at those shades. How stunning. And so many like different shades too. What an interesting color story. You got some kind of, you got kind of some of the grunge shades. You got a couple of these that look like they're shifty, and absolutely stunningly beautiful palette. And I will definitely be doing some looks with it here on my channel for sure. And I will also be bringing it to work and using it there as well. So thank you so much, Carol, for your lovely package and for thinking of me. I appreciate it so very much. Thank you. And now to get into my Dollar Tree haul. So I went to 3 Dollar Trees yesterday, and this stuff I purchased at 2 of them. And the majority is makeup and beauty items, of course. So the first thing, this is just a basic item, something I needed to restock on, were the Assured brand safety swabs. I prefer the ones that have this, you know, that are the safety ones. And I just really use these to like dry the inside of my ear after a shower. And TMI, but I get like makeup in my ears because I wear so much for my job and all that kind of thing. So these are just a repurchase. You get 80 for $1.25, and just something I always pick up at Dollar Tree. Then I've been really curious about these because I see these pretty often at Dollar Tree, and I was kind of waiting to find this particular one. This is the Smart Care hand sanitizer spray, and I got the little pink one. That is the Barbie. They had a dark pink Barbie one as well, and I've been really curious about these. I don't know if it has a flavor. Let's see. I love this spray. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like maybe like strawberry or something like that. It has a really, really nice sprayer. What I like about this a little bit better than the Be Pure sprayer is, now that I've got long nails, my nail catches sometimes on this little lip right here, whereas that doesn't seem to, that won't happen with these. So super, super cute. Like I said, I've been curious about these, and I think that is just adorable, and the Barbie in the pink is just so fun. And like I said, it smells fruity. It smells really fruity. So now something I was on the hunt for was the Ioni concealer that I have been seeing and hearing about it. I did not find it, but I did find a bunch of other really cool stuff. So they had 3 different flavors of these, I believe. This is the Beauty Impressions Kissy Lips Lip Mask and Lip Scrub Duo. Like I said, they had a purple one. I think they had a pink one or a purple one or something like that. So it's supposed to have aloe vera in it, which is supposed to be an anti-inflammatory, and it has also antioxidant properties. May help heal and soothe sun-exposed damaged lips, and hydrate, nourish, and shine. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna kind of get a good look at it. So the packaging is really, really cute. You know how I love me a good lip mask and scrub. So on one side you get the mask. I love the packaging idea. That is just super convenient. And then on the other side you get the scrub. Y'all, I cannot wait to try this. I will definitely be letting you know what I think in a future Dollar Tree product review video for sure, but that seems really, really cute. And then, you know, I've been trying a lot of Dollar Tree skincare here lately, and I'm showing no signs of stopping. Actually, everything you see right here on my skin, I'm wearing no makeup. I've been using basically all Dollar Tree skincare with the exception of eye cream and my day cream with my SPF. My night creams, my serums, my cleansers, my scrubs, my toners, everything has been from Dollar Tree for the better part of the last few months. So I saw this and just kind of got curious to try it. It's the Global Beauty Care Smooth and Lift line, and this is the Collagen Facial Serum. You know, of course, they've got like a cleanser, and they've got like a cream, and they've got like an eye cream. I haven't had much luck with eye creams as of yet with from the Dollar Tree. I've tried, I think, 3 of them, and I think I got rid of them all. But there's been a lot of other products I've enjoyed. And I haven't tried anything from this line. I've tried their vitamin C line, and of course a lot of their other products. So it's just this little container, and it's just supposed to be this collagen serum that has peptides, hyaluronic acid, and squalene in it. So I'm hoping that this is, you know, good for kind of my getting into being more mature skin. So it seems to be a pretty thick serum. Doesn't seem to have any scent in it. And it seems to kind of sink into the skin real nice. Let me see. So it's, yeah, it is fragrance-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free, alcohol-free. It's not tested on animals. It's for all skin types. pH-balanced, non-comedogenic. I think I said that right. So yeah, super excited to try this. It feels really nice on my hand. So of course, I will have all of my Dollar Tree skincare and product review videos down below. That way you can catch them. But I'll be doing another Dollar Tree skincare review video here coming up when I've had enough time to try some more stuff. So I'll definitely be trying this out here, and I will let you know how it is. Now on to some of the makeup items, you guys. So like I said, I didn't find the Ioni concealer, but I did find this, which was really, really exciting. It's the Brow Duo Brush and Pomade. And yeah, really excited about this. Let me know if you've seen these or tried them. So I kind of hate this new packaging. LA Colors is doing this too, where the plastic is right up to the edge of it. But I think I had one of you tell me that that's to help with people taking them out of the package in the store or something like that, which I'm all for that. So this is the packaging. So on one end you get this like little pomade, and then on the other end you have this little brush. How cute. This is really good for travel, so you don't have to bring a brush and your pomade. So there's the product. This of course is the medium brown, and then you just kind of screw that back on and cover it. That is really, really cool. That looks like a really nice shade. It doesn't look like it's gonna read too warm, which is always nice. Let's try the dark brown. Oh, I'm sorry, that was the dark brown. This is now the medium brown. Doesn't seem to be too much of a difference between the shades. Like I said, they don't seem to be reading too warm, which is always nice. So definitely super excited to try these in a future testing new Dollar Tree makeup video. So Beauty Intuition had a couple of these lip products that kind of caught my eye. I got a lip gloss and a lip oil, and look at the packaging, y'all. It looks kind of like a dupe for something. I mean, this kind of looks like Rare Beauty, but it's got like this whole like chocolate drip on it, and this is cherry scented and this is strawberry scented. It's got this like chocolate covered strawberry and chocolate covered cherry kind of thing going on. So here is the gloss. The packaging is super cute. It does smell like strawberry, and it really doesn't have any color payoff. It's really just kind of a clear gloss. Super cute packaging. And then here is the lipstick. Sorry, this is a lip oil. And then this is a lip gloss. Seems to be pretty pigmented, but still sheer at the same time. That definitely smells like cherry. So we'll definitely be trying these out in a future testing new Dollar Tree makeup video. So LA Colors has some new mascaras, and I've been really curious. So they have a couple different ones, like volume and length. I got this one here, the LA Colors Lift and Lock Mascara. You get a big tube. It's supposed to be lash lifting. And I'm always going to try, you guys, against my better judgment. Although I've had some of y'all suggesting some mascaras to me. And when I'm in the store, I can never remember. I really have to write it down. Man, they've got this thing, like, packaged up. So it came in that packaging that just took me forever to try to get into. And then it's also wrapped. I mean, again, like I said, I'm not mad at it. I like when things can't be gotten into at the store, but Lord, I can't get into it at home. Oh, look at that. So it has this little cap on it, and then you put your brush in like that. Packaging's really, really cute. Like I said, it's a legit tube of mascara. I'll be very curious to try it. There's the brush. So I'll be trying it soon in a testing new Dollar Tree makeup video. Then I found the 6th color story of the LA Colors quads that look like the e.l.f. bite-sized. I had one of you guys tell me that there was a 6th one because I had only found 5. And this is the color story tailored. It's kind of a teal and brown. Kind of reminiscent. I have the Urban Decay Wild West palette, naked palette. Got it at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx for like 20 bucks. But this has like a similar vibe to that color story. Kind of a little earthy. And you know I love me a good teal. And this here, you can really get like a complete look with this palette. So I still have one left that I haven't tried yet. I think I did a couple in one of my last testing new Dollar Tree makeup videos, and I'll be trying this one here soon as well. Then I saw this. Now that I've got nails, I get a little bit more concerned with my cuticles, and I need to get them filled already. But I saw this and wanted to give it a try. I have tried their cuticle like oil, like the one that comes in like a little pen, and this one caught my eye. It's the cuticle serum with jojoba oil, and it comes in this little tube right here. I love the packaging. It's cute. I'm a sucker for something cute and pink. So it's got a little like tube applicator, and then you squirt it onto your cuticles. I guess kind of like that. It doesn't seem to have a scent. I like that it doesn't feel greasy. Like I said, my nails are kind of grown out, but it kind of, you can see the difference. This one I didn't put any on, this one I did. So I'll definitely test it out and let you know what I think in comparison to other like cuticle serums and stuff. So yeah, I'll let you know what I think of this in a future Dollar Tree review video. Then this here, y'all, so Dollar Tree had a bunch of really cute clips, like hair clips, and this is the one I picked up, you guys. I don't even know the brand, it doesn't really have a brand, but it's just this little claw clip, and it's a cat, you guys. They had one that was like a lighter color, and then they also had one that was a dog. That was like seriously like the cutest thing in my opinion. And it's like a nice little clip too. I don't like when they're too big. Lightweight. Isn't that just adorable? Reminds me of my cat Sophia because she's like a tortoiseshell, and you get this, and this is tortoiseshell, so super, super cute. Then the brand Must Have Beauty has a bunch of new makeup brushes, and I bought just about every single one. So like, look at all of these, you guys. Look at how like luxe these look too. They even have like the little caps on them, which only time I've ever gotten a cap on a brush is when I bought my IT Cosmetics concealer brush. So they have, this here is the angled makeup brush. It's supposed to be really good for blush or bronzer. And y'all, when I tell you, these are really, really nice. Look at that, it's got this little cap here, which you take off. And y'all, look at that. Seems really, really nice. This is the Precision Contour Brush. This can be used for with powders, gels, or creams, and it's great for contouring. Again, same little cap on there. And y'all, look at that. $1.25, you guys, seriously. Seems really, really nice. Of course, I'll be using all of these, like, or at least all that I can in my next several Dollar Tree makeup videos. Then this is their blush brush right here. It's got a dome tip, ideal for powders. Look at that, just so, so nice. This here is the Essential Powder Brush. It's ideal for applying powder foundation or setting your face with powder, which is always essential. Look at that, just a nice little powder brush. This is their flat top foundation brush. It helps you create a flawless, even application. So I'm guessing for like your liquid foundations. Again, really, really nice. They're all really soft and seem to be luxurious and pretty thick as well. Then I got the highlighting fan brush, and this shape offers like a light and smooth application. I like to use a fan brush when I apply highlighter. And look at that, just a nice little fan brush. Look at how luxe these look, you guys. Like really super, super nice. Super excited to try those in future like testing new Dollar Tree makeup videos. And the last item are these, also the same brand, Must Have Beauty. They're eyeshadow brushes. They've got several colors of these. I really liked the pink. And this here is kind of like seems to be like a good, like an all over kind of a shadow brush. And then this one here is kind of the kind that I like to use like with my shimmers. Again, I love the metallic pink and the glitter. So definitely will be using those as well. So of course, if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. Of course, if you can hype this video as well, that helps me and my channel out so very much. And I appreciate any of the hypes that you guys use on me because I know you only get so many per week. So thank you so much. Let me know which of these products you found or which you're currently on the hunt for. Of course, let me know of any new products. Like I said, I'm on the hunt for the Ione concealers. And so yeah, definitely let me know if there's anything new that I need to know about. I know I bring you guys like products that you don't know about yet or haven't seen yet, but you guys also do the same for me in letting me know what to look out for as well. Definitely check out my Dollar Tree haul playlist down below in the description box if you like videos like these. I do a lot of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.